What's the meaning of behold? Behold. Behold.
Behold. Behold. The meaning of behold is to look at something or someone with wonder, amazement, or admiration. When we behold something, we are taking in the object of our gaze, often in a reverential or awestruck manner. The word behold is typically used in a formal or poetic context, and its connotations are often spiritual or religious. It suggests a moment of reverence or contemplation, where the observer is deeply moved by what they see. Beholding can refer to physical sight, but it can also pertain to mental or emotional observation. Overall, behold is a powerful verb that implies a sense of wonder and contemplation.